Kini kedai Doorstation Meghalaya beripdang sungobhai pi baro syakatup kubor mentaka janmiat syaban paj ki kubor ki berbunya ini pechwai kimat berkongsan. Lek burom ke kenhuan jong ki try trok ya menteri rangba ke jela bat disebut menteri rangba nak bentar ke jeng pelaj ya ke one time settlement scheme nak bentar ki kali kemai. Kajung pentrai kam ya ke ILP Meghalaya ke syong ha ke soka pedeng iseng sain perthai kimdei banyalam bakla ya ki pat ba ong ke nongelam jong ke NPP ke kong amperin dingdo. Ladep ke sorkar jelaban siu ya ke song pisa ba kendai po point san klur tingkah hapo ke one time closure scheme nak bentar ke nong tray ke MCCL ong UMLA ke sora uba Gavin Miguel Miliam. Bat lek kemen ke Snot College ya ke jengdap request nam ke sni seng jong ka da ke jeng pelaj iki kot ba ke jeng lek burom ya ki kena bala lek bha. Mentanginya Paishwa Shaki Kubor na kejela. Ka Joint Action Committee haringkat bat ke East Giant Hills Truck Owners and Transporters Association bat ke Giant Hills Truck Owners Association. Ini ke sengi kila lek burom ya umintirang ba kejela u Konrad ki sangma bat iki sembut mintirang ba uba Preston Tingsong bat ya uba siang bahalang dhar nak benta kajing wanra ya ke one time settlement lani ke OTS scheme nak benta ki kali kamai abakran hakani ke sengi uminturang ba ke jela ula batai ba ke OTS scheme kadai ke senjam nak benta kajing bentoy jong ki pat ba hakaba ke sokar ke pak map kumba praspa sanpo klur tingka nak ke 1000 klur ban ai jing yarap ya kumba khan rew hajar ngut ki trai jong ki trok bat ke long yeng jong ki.
All of this development must go along with the development and the change in every citizen's life. So it is not just big projects. It is the impact we will have in every citizen's life. Do you think it's an easy decision for us to let 1,000 crore just write off? Revenue is important for us. But this government realized that thousands and lakhs of families are affected because of this particular decision. Close to 60,000 truck owners and drivers are impacted by this.
Satu stone unconnected, satu masa, please help the truck driver, please help the truck owner. Please our people. Maybe the cement company are too much against them. Please look at them. Actually, this is not the subject of the government. It's pertaining to your personal business. And these type of things, we always try to look from pros and cons, from corner to corner, how to make, because I know very clear, if this OTS is not happening, some more than lakhs family they are gone. Who will be able to pay 1,000 crore plus as most step? It's not so easy for the people.
We need to work together closely, closer, for the interest of the state of Meghalaya. I would like to tell you that we are so thankful the services provided by all of you. Without the vehicle owners and the transporters, I don't think we will be able to reach out to the grassroots. Nakadakadaw pidei ka channel ka badon kamtam ban kentiu ya kayo ka kot jong ka jelam ni kala jongi
ngida aingu ya baro baban mentaka sini sekene ke program Hakmat jong kilai ngut ki minister makiri kila kubur kila kular baki nang yai le ba susu ingi dari badang don gi pending gi badang ngi fight biang tengi hope ban ngi kmil tiru baga gene ke sarkar aga jing yalam jong isa padon brom jong i konrar ke sangma daga jing support jong isa senyam ha jong i ibadai deputy CM badisa tensong jong i ibadai deputy CM ro ngi nang yai yo susu kita ki kabuk ser ki kaburupa banirap yu pajba hagiwe pada kiliang
Ka Menteri Sorkar ke Berim berkenong elam jong ke NPP ke kong Amprin Lingdo hene ke sungi ke loong bagi Sorkar kemi ke donyi ke bor ban penteri kam ya ke inline permit lani ke ILP hajala Meghalaya bat kala kentu ki seng san perthei ban om yalam baklai ki patba da ki jingkular ki ba kimla ban pen urlong ke kong Lingdo ke loong ru ba kene kamat kaya tingku bat ki kendon terikam kariti sensar khadar jong keri bat ba kenu kerai ban ILP ya ke Meghalaya ke syong bait ha katenat kampo yeng jong ke soka pedeng.
Citizens in different locations have different perspectives and views of a simple or maybe a very complicated matter like ILP. There are also political deterrents in this matter. There are constitutional clashes on this matter. And I think in this generation, by and large, citizens are far more equipped with information. That there is a constitutional clash on the matter of ILP is more or less understood by the people. ILP is a matter which, to a large extent, does not lie in the domain of state governance. It is a matter which is going to be decided by the Ministry of Home Affairs in consultation with stakeholders and representatives of governance of the state of Meghalaya. So for any political party to try and hijack this agenda and make it look that vote for that party and once they are elected, they will sort the matter out is incorrect. They cannot take people for a ride.
Emily ke sora uba Gavin Miguel Milliam uloong baga soka Meghalaya kaladep penpelat lut ia ke song pisa ke ba khandai po point san klur tingka hapo ke one time special industrial closure scheme na ke benta kinong trei ke MCCL na ke benta R ki snem kenjing ken ya ke scheme la sieu hakilai installment kata lai pun riu klur tingka la sieu hau benai leber ahajar apusan apunyo klur tingka hau benai naitung ahajar apusan bat ya ke installment ke bakhat du ke balong arpunyo klur tingka la ai hu benai jeleu ahajar arpun riu ya ke bala sam shikinong trei ki bedei hok banyo.
So the government had released the first installment in the month of March 2025, which is around 36 crores, which is 40% of the 90 crores in the first installment. The second installment was made in the month of July 2025, amounting to around 27 crores, which is 30% of the 90 crores. And finally, during this month, the government had released the last and final installment, which is a third installment, amounting to 27 crores, which is around 30% of the 90 crores. Yes, initially the government had made a commitment that it will be completing the entire 90 crores within 3 financial years and in 3 installments. But we are very happy that the government, just within 2 financial years, had completed the entire amount which is due to the MCCL employees.
Ka Southwest KHASI Hills District Congress Committee kala kentu ya ke buah penyak district menpelong ya ke special intensive revision ban perking halokar kom pensisha jong kinong pendrung kerteng hak electoral roll daga baong bakanie ka bo jingma ya ka jingshingan hakari nama baka district kaya sam ya ka khaput lembat kari Bangladesh hadin ka jing kendo bat ki officer jong ka district u president jong ka senjuk u ba kan pam bi khalingdo u lakhot lawer ya ka jing don bentalang jong ki dor bashnong bat ki seng bahalang jong ka than ban pensisha ya ki kerteng ka komiti ka kwa ru ban pelong ya ke program pen saprang jingtem bat ke program pen kupbor kenang ban yarap ya ki temen ki kro ki jaka ha ki thain nong kendong bat ki nong shong shnong ki bawan na ki long yeng ki baduk ban pen rong kerteng ya la die
ni pau ya ki actually totally ki point ki bana kalen ki keduk ya ka district administration halor way kede halor ba naklen ka chumi la perpau ki sukia yo isi la shai ki jitting yo isi ka don ka jing room ka thlap aka electoral room na ki na kadau jo ki tingo ki chaka kabar kalong ba meeting yo la shai ki genuine voters dan ki genuine citizenship ki sa delete na kanika na kadika saya but kabasau kede na ubah kebalai kede na kebetah kede ba ni kelen jumi ni khamsukia ha kabre barka jin perlung kerteng khatam iktu ki breu ki ba dot chabar na ka na snong na thau ki bari ki dot ikna puli ki bari khna ki bali bala ki bari khna ki batri keleng hapo na bar ka snong banapor na bar ka district dia sila syai nak kadau ba kam yo sila syai kimia ek opportunity na kebetaban pendrung yang lagi bertindak tertel
ka jingpen thamai ke electoral roll kelas dang habaro lightly ki constituency jong ka West KHASI Hills akaba ki booth level officer kila pelong ya ka jinglet pensisha haman la ki thliu yeng ban pendrung kerteng ya ki nong tap vote bathamai ban penbet ya ki jing bakla bat ban weng ya ki kerteng jong ki bala khlat no ka deputy commissioner ka Himanayak kala kentu ki nong shongshnong ki badap kha prasnam karta halani shwa ka shutrik ubanai risau aja aphun riu bakin penrung kerteng no ban tap vote lingba ka online portal lani da ka balej ai ya ka form 6 shaka district election office
in the coming days. So under SIR activities, we have already completed the pre-SIR mapping and our mapping had reached around 60%. And now commencing from today, we will be starting BLO house-to-house visits where BLOs will be sharing the EF, that is enumeration form, in 2 copies to all the eligible voters, and they will be collecting one of the copies back. And other than this, the voters can also use the online platforms, and after this exercise, BLOs will be checking and verifying all these applications, and once this procedure is done, the draft e-roll will be published on the 5th of August, and after that there will be a 2-month long time for the claims and objections plus the appeal. So those voters who will be completing 18 years by the 1st of October 2026, they are all eligible to enroll themselves, and for them the procedure is slightly different. Instead of the enumeration form, they will have to fill up the form 6 like usual, and in addition to that they also will have to give a declaration form, and by giving these 2 documents they will be enrolling themselves in the upcoming electoral roll.
Ka Synod College Shillong hene ka sngi kala rakhia ka foundation dia ka ban rup huai daga program ka bapen pau ya ka jingno senyang jongka shaka kerdan pulie ba shajrong ka jingwat benya bat ka jing ai jing shakriya ki emlang ka salang akan ka jing le kemen la pelaj ru ya artli ki kot pulie la ai jing itu ki kena ki bawan shakman ki kena ki bayo ya ka scholarship bat ya ki nong trei ki bladap apsan snem ka jing shakri jongki abakren hakan ka sngi kum ukongsan u Emily ka North Shillong uba Adelbert Nongrum ula pensluri ka college ban beteng ya ka jing ai jing shakri ban penjanai ya ka puli puthi bat ban wanra ya ka roi ka par ha ka jala.
As we need to turn back, just reflect back what thing has done. Sometimes we may feel that we have done so much, but on looking ahead, we know that still many, many more to accomplish. Which I feel the pioneers, we should remember them because they are the one who make us today as we are. Their education, values, their characters, their integrity, their compassion, the discipline and the willingness to serve humanity. When we talk about foundation in KHASI means Nongrim. So therefore, we need to have the foundation so as to help our day-to-day life in all aspects to see the progress of our responsibility.
Ka St. Joseph Academy of Nursing Umtrau Riboy District hinen kesngi kalapan ko brom ya sausan ngot ki kena pulie ki balapan dep ya kejing pulie General Nursing but midwifery program ha ke graduation day ceremony ka ba jongka UMP ke Raja Sabha u James P.K. Sangma ulawan bayin shimbenta ha ke ne ka program ko mukongsan kat ba nong ai jingmut jong katanat pulie puti uba HM Shang Pliang ulalong sembut kongsan Hakani ke program lawan bayin shimbentaru da uba ALHEC kinong trei kete ke jaka pulie kinong hikai ki kmi ki kpa bat kinong syakot ngobha kini kena akibala pendap ya kijing pulie ki loyo pdiang ya ki memento kum kajing itu ya kajing job kajong ki ha kajing pulie.
Of course, there's this feeling of excitement that wow, I'm going to be starting something new. I'm going to be independent from now onwards, break free from all the shackles of parenting and all that. And at the same time, in that excitement also, there was this feeling of uncertainty. And I'm sure that you will have that mixed feeling. That feeling of excitement, yet that feeling of uncertainty as to what is the future going to hold for me. That's a very, very natural thing. And all I would like to say to you is that God has mysterious ways of working in our lives. And I think that as you step into this unknown, this new, exciting future, always remember our God, our Lord in your prayers, that He may guide you, especially in this very, very challenging profession of yours.
Ka Office Jong District Medical and Health Officer West KHASI Hills support ka National Ayush Mission. Hinin ka sngi ka larakhe ya ka International Day of Yoga ka Bakhat Ar and Nongston College ringkat ka Pangpdeng Yoga for Healthy Aging. Ka Deputy Commissioner ka Heman Nayak ka walalong ka Kongsan ka lapan shluri ki patba khamtam ya ki khana samla ban penmilian ya ka jingle yoga man laga sngi kenang ban penbahai ke met ke pat bat ke perkat perdan na penkut ya ke sngi da ke common yoga protocol session balalam khmat da I Dr. B Rempei ke bakentup ya ke jingle yoga asanas bat ke rukom kilan met lingba ke jingring bat penhiar mensim.
Yoga is not like any other activity where you have to do it properly, or let's say it is not very strict. Yoga, it is very flexible. If you want to do for 1 hour, you can do. You want to do for 5 minutes, then also you can do. And in your families, you might have your grandparents, and they might not be able to sit like this and do, so they can sit on the chair and do. Yoga is so flexible and very easy. It is just because of the name, sometimes yoga, meditation, they sound very complex. By just listening to the words, you might be thinking it's not for me. But when you start actually doing it, you can see the difference within few days. And especially for the students, you must be giving your exams soon for handling the stress of today's time.
Mentangin nya pai shiki kubor na katan shatay lamingi. Ki Menteri Kesoka Pedeng u Shivraj Singh Chauhan bat u Kiren Rijiju yakibala senran lang dok Menteri Rangba Kajala Arunachal Pradesh u Pema Khandu kila pelong ya kejunglet jurep mentaga sengi ya kijaka ke Shakta aga jeng Shlei ha East Siang Lower Subansiri bat ke Keyi Panyor District. Kani akan hon kala let jungok ru ya kijaka sa Bashipor bat ke Lakmi benya ya kejung julor baro na kejung Shlei bat kejung tua Khandau. Kat kum ga jeng pentem Kibo badai kami sangut kibriu kilayap kat ba artway ngut pat kila mensau bat palat khandai pau hajar ngut kibriu kila Shakta hakeleng ki benta Kajala Arunachal Pradesh.
यहाँ जो तबाही हुई है पिछले दिनों उसके दृश्य को देखा है ऐसा लगा जैसे सैलाब था और सब कुछ बहा के ले गया हमारी कुछ कैजुअलिटी भी हुई है संख्या कम है लेकिन एक भी होती है तो भी दुखद है आगे जो यहाँ रिलीफ कैंप है उसमें हम लोग जाएंगे और चीजें जल्दी रिस्टोर हो इसके लिए मुख्यमंत्री जी अपनी टीम के साथ काम करेंगे और भारत सरकार पूरी ताकत के साथ फिर से पुरानी स्थिति बहाल करने में लगेगी संकट और दिक्कत है लेकिन इस संकट के पार निकाल के हम अपनी जनता को ले जाएंगे और फिर से सामान्य परिस्थिति बहाल करेंगे
Ka jeng ai jeng Shakri jong ki lieng pedeng ka Guwahati bat ka Uma Nanda la penyak biang hadian bala pensange na do ka apsau turik ujeliu na ka daw ka jeng kiu palat jong ka Hawa Brahmaputra ki het nong penyak ki la pentip bayamenta ka jeng kiu jong ka ka long sau punyo point nyu pun riu mitar ka balong hapo ka jeng pen i au dak jeng maham ka balong sau pupra point riu mitar Henry kalanan kiu suki pasuki na ka daw ka jeng slap baklem sange hakeleng ki benta jong Kajala Assam. Henry ki bo penyat ki loong baga jing ai jing Shakri jong ki lieng la penyat biang. Ringkat ka jing bot iki kendon besengan baki la ru ban sya pensange hakanu kunu kapor lada ka ka nang yai kiustat. Ke Assam Rifle nen ke sengi ke layarap bantan ye ke wei ke kali ke belano sya lais pak mitar ke jaka sharing haswa banpoi ha jingkieng zocha chua sya zorinpui ha lautalai district Mizoram. Ka jing ai jingirap lang ke kentup ye ke wei ke JCB naman ki Assam Rifle bat la pelong ru ya ke SIB ban yok tan ya ke kali na ke tei ke jaka. Kitnat baro ke le trailang bat kilaya le kat bala ban ai jingirap da ka bapentikna ya ka jing kular ban ya yarap ya ki pat ba la da don kino ki jingja mentang in pai shaki kubor nakari Menteri Rangba do kari Narendra Modi hene ke sengi ulo ong ba ka jing sedang ya ka Digital India kalai rap shibun ha ka ban penkela ya ka rukom sensar kalapun kup bor ki nong shong snong bat kalapun stat shu shu ya ka roi ka par jong kari da ka jing dap khat waste nem jong ka Modi u ong ba ka Digital India kalapun bahai ka rukom trekam ka ba khoj besuba ling ba ka rukom sio digital bat ka direct benefit transfer Aga juk kapor kan penkelain ru ya ke puli putih ka jing ai jing sumar ka rep karyang ki yau ki hat bat ka rukom ai jing Shakri syaki pat ba syu syu ulo ong ba ka ne ka jing sedang ka layarap ban penkela bat bu ya ke India ban don ya ki core technology ki bebiang Air Marshal Ashutosh Dixit mentaga sengi ula shimti kum Vice Chief ka Air Staff jong gatanat Indian Air Force bala shimti ya ka kam jong Air Marshal Nagesh Kapoor bala shong thaj no hadien South Post nem ka jing ai jing Shakri jong hakakam hakini ki South Post nem ba ula don hakakam Air Marshal Dixit ula don bentalang habon teliki operation bakongsan bakentup ya ka Operation Safed Sagar ka Operation Rakshak ka kop India bat ka operation sindur ulayo bat ya bondli ki kadan ba ula syapan kop buromru da ka vayu sena medal ka vishesh seva medal ka ati vishesh seva medal bat ka param vishesh seva medal mentang inya pai shi khubor na ka perthai Unong ratins ke India shi United States Vinay Mohan Kwarta ula ong ba ke India kala long ka nongelam jong ka perthai habun ki benta trekam ka bami na ka jingkieu jong ka ka yok ka kot ba ka jingwan ra ya ki jingkela Abakren haka US but India Strategic Partnership Forum Annual Leadership Summit ka bakandai ka long ha Washington DC. Ukwatra ula ong baya ka jingkela jong ke India ka day na ka jingwanra ya ki jingkela ki bapenbha hapo ka ri ba ka jinga lang bat kiri ka perthai na ka benta ka jinga mentoy lang. Ula ka dawru halo ka thong jong ka ri banwanra ya ka yo ka kot ka ba apusan hado lipo trillion US dollar hashwa jong usnam ahajar sa punyo.
Our focus on our economic growth and national prosperity to the kind of global disruptions we are witnessing all around us, which throw, as I said, opportunities and challenges both at us. And three, a set of hugely transformative measures in India which have catapulted India into now roughly 4.3 trillion economy, heading into 7 trillion by the end of this decade, hoping to transition to 14 trillion by middle of 2030s, and eventually reaching 25 to 30 trillion goal by 2047. A set of these three allows India actually to be a huge enabler internationally, underwritten, of course, by the strength of our democracy and the values that it brings forth with it.
Ka jungi kan at akijaka kapot apdeng ka Afghanistan bat Pakistan kala nang jor mentak sngi ka bagi Taliban jong ka Afghanistan kila kam bakila pelong ya ka jingi siat persya ki ISIS ki bertemu ban ter ya ka Balochistan a Pakistan bat ya ka Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province. Haka bay day baknie ka Pakistan kala ong baya ki sipai jong ka kila kurup bat yo siat ya sautuli ki drone ha Balochistan aga ba angut ki breu kila mensau na kani ki jingi siat ka jing ther kala ka long hadien baga Pakistan kala siat kala bat ka bala penmensau ya apu prangut ki breu jong ka Afghanistan kini kiri bemarjan ki yai keno iwei halor ka jing ya jia siat ha kapot wada pedeng ka jing le ban penduna ya ka jing kenat mentang inya pai shiki khubor ya lekai ka Mexico kala pelem no ya ka Ecuador da argo la not banyo rung shakaraun ka bakhan rio jong ka FIFA World Cup hakasien ka baningkong haki Sao Paulo League snam ka bala pelong ya ka jingle kemen ya kinong kershan Los Angeles bat Mexico kani ka jing job ka long ka sien ka baningkong ba ka Mexico kan job haka World Cup knockout nadu ka jing job jong ka haus nam ka kandai spa prapun rio palat prapo hajar ngut kinong kershan jong ka kelelum aga stadium wat hapdeng ka jing penslam ka ba shikenta na ka jing slap jur ka Mexico menta kan se khun bat ka England lane bat ka Democratic Republic of Congo haka wat ka bobot Temen tapat inyepet ya ke jinglong juman ke sun beneng hakeleng ki benta jong ke jela. Hatura ke jing khiat ke long apusau degree Celsius bat ke jing shit ke long lipo degree Celsius ke jing sngam ke hau menta ke sngi ke long prapu anak shispa ke jing hap slap ke long apun rio point nyo millimeters. Abapai pa nong ba Shillong ka jing kriat kalong kat kandai degree Celsius, bat ka jing shit kalong apusan degree Celsius. Ka jing sngam ka hau mentagasi kalong prapusan nakashispa, ka jing hap slap kalong nyo millimeters. Kat ba hajawai pan, ka jing kriat kalong kat kandai degree Celsius, bat ka jing shit kalong apusan degree Celsius, ka jing sngam ka hau mentagasi kalong prapulai nakashispa, ka jing hap slap kalong r.4 millimeters. Kandon ka jing hap slap bat ka jing tiat upertat habon ki benta hatura Shillong bat juai. Shuaban poi shikabakut jong tup kubor ngin pek biang sa sisien ye kimat bakongsan. Le burom ke kenhuan jong ketrai trok ya umintirang ba kejela bat kesembut menteri rang ba nak benta ke jeng pelaj ya ke one time settlement scheme nak benta ke kali kamai. Kajing penteri kam ya ke ILP Meghalaya ke Shong Hakaso ka Pedeng. Kiseng sain pertai Kim Day benyelam baklai ke pat ba ong ke nong elam jong ke NPP ke kong Amperin ding do. Ladep ke soka jola ban siawi ke song pisa bak hendai po point santur tingkah hapo ke one time closure scheme. Naga benta ki nong tray ke MCCL ong MLA ke sora uba Gavin Miguel Milliam. Bat lek kemen ke Snot College ya kajing dap untuk kuai senang ke seng jongka da kajing pelat ke kot bat kajing lek burom ni kena pelek ha. Te parlok kat tu ngila poi shibakut jong tuk kubor jing minta ke jan miet ngin se shamat pila shai ke sngi ha kaju kapor kupli shiboni kapor jong pi baro bat tiasuk.